Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 21st August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 10 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World Senior Citizen Day is observed every year on. Answer is 21st August. World Senior Citizen Day is observed globally on 21st August every year to celebrate and honor the contributions and experiences of older individuals in society. The day was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly on 14th December 1990. The day was officially founded by the former President of the United States of America, Ronald Reagan, in 1988 to dedicate a day to older adults and their issues. Question number 2. World's oldest person, Maria Branyas Morera, passed away at the age of. Answer is 117 years. The world's oldest person, Spain's Maria Branyas Morera, who was born in the US in 1907 and lived through two world wars, has died at the age of 117. Guinness World Records had officially acknowledged Maria Branyas Morera's status as the world's oldest person in January 2023 after the death, aged 118, of the French nun Lucille Randon. In the wake of Branyas's death, the oldest living person in the world is Japan's Tomiko Ituka, who was born on 23 May 1908 and is 116 years old. Question number 3. Maharashtra government launched the first solar village in which district? Answer is Satara district. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde inaugurated the state's first solar village in Manyachivadi in Satara district. The PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana has helped reduce electricity bills, while a 90 to 95% subsidy is provided for solar pump sets under the Mukhyamantri Saur Krishi Pump Yojana. Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced that 12,000 megawatts of solar power will be generated in the next 1.5 years, ensuring free daytime electricity for farmers. Question number 4. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Bal Paushtik Ahar Yojana? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu inaugurated the Mukhyamantri Bal Paushtik Ahar Yojana on 18 August, aimed at delivering nutritious food to children in government-run schools. This initiative would complement the existing midday meal scheme, targeting students from nursery to class 8 across 15,181 schools. Under this scheme, children will receive boiled eggs or fruits once a week. Question number 5. Which Indian was selected as an assistant referee for the 8th Under-17 Women's World Cup? Answer is Riolang Dhar. The World Football Governing Body, FIFA, has selected Meghalaya's Riolang Dhar as an assistant referee for the 8th Under-17 Women's World Cup to be held in the Dominican Republic. The 34-year-old Riolang Dhar is the second Indian, after Uvena Fernandes, to be an assistant referee in the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup. The 8th FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup will be held in the Dominican Republic from 16 October to 3 November 2024. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the General Secretary of All India Football Federation? Answer is Anil Kumar. All India Football Federation, AIFF, appointed Anil Kumar as the new Secretary General on 19 August at the Indian Football House in Delhi. He takes charge from Shaji Prabhakaran, who formerly served as the General Secretary of All India Football Federation, AIFF, before he was removed from the post in November 2023. Question number 7. Who took over as the Director General of Employees State Insurance Corporation, ESIC? Answer is Ashok Kumar Singh. Ashok Kumar Singh, an IAS officer of the 1999 Kerala cadre, took over as the Director General of the Employees State Insurance Corporation, ESIC, on 19 August 2024. Earlier, he worked as a Principal Secretary of the Water Resources Department under the Government of Kerala. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the new Health Secretary of India? Answer is Punya Salila Srivastava. Senior bureaucrat Punya Salila Srivastava has been appointed as the new Health Secretary as part of a major top-level bureaucratic reshuffle. Srivastava, who is currently Special Secretary in the Prime Minister's office, will initially take over as the officer on special duty in the Department of Health and Family Welfare, according to a Personnel Ministry order. She will take over as the Health Secretary after incumbent Apurva Chandra superannuates on 30th September. Question number 9. Muda scam, recently seen in the news, is associated with which state? Answer is Karnataka. Muda is being investigated for possible unfair practices in compensating for acquired private land. Allegations surfaced that Karnataka CM Siddaramaia's wife, Parvati, received 14 plots in a prime area, raising legal and fairness concerns. Muda, established in 1904, manages urban planning in Mysore and has faced legal issues due to incomplete land acquisitions. Financial problems and lawsuits have made it difficult for Muda to compensate landowners properly. Question number 10. Who has won the title of Western India Billiards Tournament 2024? Answer is Pankaj Advani. India's most accomplished billiards player, Pankaj Advani, recorded a big win by constructing a double-century break of 208 points over Yogesh Rangtha in a third-round contest of the Western India Billiards and Snooker Championship 2024. Pankaj Arjun Advani is a 27-time International Billiards and Snooker Federation World Champion. He has won 18 Billiards World titles, the IBSF World Billiards Championship on 17 occasions, and the World Team Billiards Championship once. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.